Hello, AJ here. I got a present for my wedding. Woo! It was part of the registry, and it is a Quadcast mic. Woo! So say goodbye to this thing and say hello to Quadcast. I'm excited to open this up, and I hope you will enjoy opening it with me. Starbucks box cutter, because I have them literally everywhere. HyperX has you covered. Got issues with your HyperX product? Contact their experienced team for quick response and support. Thanks. Alright, now time to get the actual thing out. Perfect. I'm excited. How do you open this? Hello? I am struggling. I need help. Oh! It says pull. Oh! It popped. It has like a lot of things coming out of it. Okay. So here's the mic. How does this work? I have no idea. I've never had a mic like this, but there's this little stand thing, a cable, and the mic. Woo! Well, now time to figure out how to do this. I feel stupid. I don't know what this piece is for. It has a little screwy thing in, and it has like holes. It looks like something to like prop something up or make it like turn. I have no idea what's happening. So let's find out. I moved the camera so you could see a little bit better. But as you can see, I'm not sure what's happening. So there's that. Also, my house is a mess, so just ignore that. Guys, I'm gonna be so mad if I broke this right away. Okay, well, I put that piece back together. I still don't know what this is for. Oh, there it is. And you can put your plug in your headset to it. And there's the little USB thing. Let's do that part. How about it? I'm not very good with wires. I have wires literally everywhere. Just move that over there. Ooh, my headset made a noise. It's lighting up, guys. It's lighting up. Ooh. Okay. Oh, and you tap to mute? That's crazy. Let's try this. Let's see. I have no idea how to install this. Ooh, this purple pink that's going on here. Cute. So this is a mount adapter. But like, what I'm confused about is like, how does this work? I mean, I know I need like a mount thingy, but like, oh, would I just unscrew the whole thing and put it on here? And then it'll have that like cable-y thing, not cable-y thingy, the mount thingy. You know what I'm talking about. Now the question is, this is in French and Italian. You know, my 10 years of Italian isn't really useful in this situation, but it is what it is. Connecting headphones. Well, good thing my headset is wireless. Maybe I just need a new headset. This is a pretty old headset to begin with. Oh! I found the English, I think. Omnidirectional, cardioid, and bidirectional. I don't know what that means. I guess I'll have to figure that out. Muting the microphone. Using with PC. Okay, I plugged it in. Connecting headphones. And then I think everything else is just in different languages. Great. Fantastic. I love that. I love that. Also, how do you fold this again? Figured it out. Oh, I dropped something. It's the adapter. I can't lose this. HyperX Quadcast. It looks like it's connected already. I just don't know how to connect it to this. But maybe... Oh! It just needed some time. Test. Hello? How does this sound? I don't know. It probably is like super loud, right? Hello? Oh my goodness. That's so fancy. I feel so fancy. I wonder if you can pick like the color, because I really like that purpley pink color. As you can see, I'm a big fan of pink, which is so funny because I used to never like the color pink, but here we are. Hello. Alright, so it looks like I keep wanting to put my headphone down, but I don't need that anymore. So who knows, maybe I can get like new cuter headset. I mean, I like my headset, like they still function and everything, and I like that I can go somewhere else and move around the house kind of freely. Thoughts are just not functioning in my head right now, but I set it up. Kind of. I have to figure out what I want to do with this wire because I don't want it to be everywhere on my desk. Thank you so much for opening this up with me. Look how pretty she is. She's so cute in the little corner of my two screens. Adorable. It was kind of embarrassing how much I couldn't open the box. But honestly, it's fine. I have a mic now and it's pretty. It's colorful and pretty.